Hello, I'd like to tell you about a very neat website app called Socrative, and it enables you to keep pace of student responses to different test questions and quizzes, similar to clickers. So let me just jump right in and tell you all about it. If you see on this screen here, I've already logged in. All you need is an account. It is absolutely free. Within the account, you're able to change your room number. So my room number is Scott E9 because that's where my room is. And students in the room, I have no students logged into the room right now. So I'm going to show you different ways you can do it. Now I have to use my iPhone for the student response, so we can't do it at the same time. But I can show you the teacher in what goes on. Let's say, for example, there is a multiple choice question. So I'll just click on multiple choice, okay? And so this, if you have a data projector and you just throw a question up, okay? And you just want a student to answer A, B, C, D, or E, okay? So what I have my phone app, and I'm just going to go into the classroom right now. And I am going to select a response for this, okay? So I'm waiting for it to load in. So I'm in the room and I'm going to select A, okay? So I've selected A, and the other students, it can be in a lab or whatever. So I'm only one person. I don't have a lot of volunteers, but you can see A. And if there were like 30 students in the room, they can just read the question from the data projector and enter in A, B, C, or D, and you have a good collection of what what the correct answer is, how the students are understanding. They can use their phones. You can do it in a lab. They can use tablets, whatever they have available. It's a really neat feature to get just the idea of the understanding of the students. So let's go back to the main screen. Let's say you want to enter your own test and create your own test. So that goes under manage quizzes and tests. So let's go here. So if you wanted to create your own test, and I already, or quiz, or you can import one. So if you want to create a quiz, and so I go to create a quiz, and if it's multiple choice, you just simply go multiple choice. You can copy and paste your questions in, so you can maybe have it in a Word document, copy and paste the question, get the answer. I'm just going to say, what is my name? Just as an example, and then it's let's say answer choice 1, 2, 3. So then let's say it would be answer choice 2, and let's say Renee. That's my name. And we may see Mary, okay, and we may see Barbara, okay, whatever. So when you're done with that, then you save. So you got the, then you have to put a quiz name, and I'll say name. Reminds you to do that, and we're going to save. Okay, so you can continue, give you a quiz number. So if you are collaborating with other teachers and save them time from creating their own, you just share the number with them and they can have your quiz. So we're not going to continue because I have some already created. So once you've created it, you can go back. I'm going to go back to the main screen. And we're going to see quiz-based activity. So I'm going to go start a quiz here. And once I start a quiz, we can go drop down, and there's several quizzes that I have created. Okay, so let's say review of concepts, maybe a quiz. I don't remember what that was. And you can determine if you want it to be student-paced or teacher-paced. So that means that the student can take as long as they want. Or if it's teacher paced, that means it's a certain amount of time for each question. So let's say I'm going to choose teacher paced. And question 1 to 10, you have to put your name in and continue. So let me go back. Something else I forgot to share with you. And it also emails a report. We're going to back arrow. Now, let's say we're going to go back to quizzes again and review of concepts. Let's see that one. And let's say it's teacher paced, but here advanced quiz options is really good that you can randomize answered quizzes. So if the students are in a lab sitting by each other, it curtails from cheating. So if you want to randomize your answer choices, you can check that. Disable immediate right or wrong feedback. Here it gives you immediate right or wrong feedback. I'm going to leave it there. And then hide questions, explanations. You can put explanations there. You can hide it, and you can hide right or wrong feedback, whatever you choose. So let's say it's a teacher-paced quiz. And we go there and say the first thing, the waiting for responses, 1 to 10, please enter your last name first. So when the student sees on their iPhone, and I'll do a separate video showing that, what you will see and what they will see in order to take that quiz. So in summary, this is a very, very no report. It emails a report with the student and grades it for you. So we're going to put no report here or just cancel it. So I'm going to arrow back to the first page and just recap what we have here. We have an app here that can revolutionize the teacher experience as far as assessment. Within this app, you are able to monitor whether a student understands while they're using their phone, entering in the correct answer, and you can see on the board whether it's A, B, C, or D, and so you know how the whole class is doing. Or you can go ahead and go to a lab or use the phone and their phone. They can use their phone or their devices and take a quiz. Within the quiz, it can be teacher monitored as far as the time each student spent on the question, or it can be randomized answers, or you can give feedback, or you can choose not to give feedback. Now on the next, I'm going to go back to the first page so you can see what the first page looks like. So the end activity, so no report. So on the very next video, I will show you what the student sees in all this. So for some reason, I can't go to end the activity, but anyway, I will see you in the next video.